it says if P A comma B is the midpoint of line segment between axes, we have to show that equation of line is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 2. Now let us first understand it by a rough figure. If this is our x and y axis, we have a line that is between the axes. So line is like this. Now let x intercept be alpha and y intercept be beta. Let x intercept be alpha and y intercept be beta. So if I know the x and y intercept of this line, can I write its equation? Yes. Equation of line between the axes will be given by intercept form. और वो इक्वेशन होगी x upon alpha plus y upon beta is equal to 1. This is equation number 1. Let this be equation number 1. Now उन्होंने हमें एक इंफॉर्मेशन और दी क्या? P is the midpoint of this line segment and the coordinates of P are a comma b. So if this intercept x intercept is alpha, then what will be the coordinates of point A? It will be alpha comma 0. Do you agree? And what will be the coordinates of point B? Yes, it will be 0 comma beta. So now applying the midpoint formula, we have A here, we have B here, coordinates of A is alpha comma 0, coordinates of B are 0 comma beta, and we have a point P which is the midpoint, and the coordinates of P are A comma B. But we are now applying midpoint formula. So coordinates of P by midpoint formula. तो अगर मैं मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला लगाता हूँ तो कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ पी क्या आएंगे? इट विल बी 1 इंटू 0 प्लस 1 इंटू अल्फा अपॉन 1 प्लस 1 यानी 2 कॉमा y कोऑर्डिनेट विल बी 1 इंटू बीटा प्लस 1 इंटू 0 अपॉन 2 यानी बाय मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला coordinates of p are alpha comma 2 and beta comma 2, but it is given that coordinates of p are a comma b, so that means alpha by 2 is a and beta by 2 is b. Now let us calculate alpha from here, that is 2a by cross multiplying. Beta की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 2b और ये वैल्यू हमने उठाकर कहाँ डाल देनी है, इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में। हमारे पास इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन थी x अपॉन अल्फा प्लस y अपॉन बीटा इज इक्वल टू 1। तो अल्फा तो सर आया 2a के इक्वल, बीटा आया 2b के इक्वल, तो हमने वैल्यू डाली x अपॉन 2a प्लस y अपॉन 2b is equal to 1. Now taking 1/2 कॉमन, अंदर आएगा x अपॉन a प्लस y अपॉन b is equal to 1. Now we can cross multiply this 2 here. So equation of line becomes x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 2. यही हमने प्रूव करना था जी. So this is written as hence proved. So please note it down and ask if you have any doubt.